How to change an air filter on a Mini. The top of the airbox housing is held on by two T25 torx screws, and on this side there's just two clips, one back here. You just got to look out for. You got to push the whole thing sideways to release. So you get your T25 torx bit. Looks like this. Looks like a bit of a star. There's one out. There's one back here as well. So gently lift up a bit and push the whole thing a bit sideways. Get around these clips at the back. Sideways. That's the wiring at the top. There we go. Just pull open enough. Just get the filter out. See? Get your new filter. Make sure it's in properly. Put it back in. Make sure you go over the clips on the side here. Get it down. You're in. Then put the torque screws back in. The other side, tighten up, and you're done.